Meet the dodo, a bird that vanished from the earth 344 years ago. Today, only a few remains exist, like this preserved head at the Natural History Museum in London. Once abundant on the island of Mauritius, the dodo thrived without natural predators. But in 1598, European explorers arrived, bringing with them relentless hunting and invasive species like dogs and cats. With no defense against these new threats, the dodo quickly disappeared. Standing about 1 meter tall and weighing between 10 to 17 kilograms, this flightless bird is now a haunting reminder of how human actions can wipe out an entire species. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.